What's up guys, Mike with A&M here. It's like 7:30 in the morning. We're waking up a little bit early today. We're both supposed to have tornadoes and stuff later in the day. So we're going to a customer's house. They live about 30 minutes away and they have a whole garage that's full of old household trash. So apparently it's been sitting there for like 2 to 3 months. Probably gonna be disgusting, covered in maggots, maybe rats, who knows what we're gonna get into. Hopefully there's nothing like that. But we got some shovels on the trailer. We're gonna just shovel them up, and then we got brand new trash bags. We're gonna just rebag everything. So the customer might be kind of embarrassed and not let us record. I might just only be able to do a time lapse there. That's why I'm doing the intro here. So we're gonna get to it and hopefully we can get some footage from that, and we'll see you guys soon. So yeah, this lady just stacked all this stuff like this. So we don't know if there's rats or anything in here. We're getting this first pile, which is absolutely disgusting. No rats yet. There's some cockroaches though. Those are those German cockroaches. It's okay, good boy. We got our first rat, boys. Decent size. All right, guys, we just got to the dump. See behind me, the truck and trailer are full. And now we're just gonna empty all this stuff. All right guys, we are here. We got the full truck, the full trailer, and that full truck right there. So we have to actually throw it over this wall. And look at all this stuff over here. So we're gonna get to it. All right guys, so I actually seen a rat at their house. So this is a job where you would never want to take it back to your house or your place of business because you don't know really what's in these bags. So that's why we're dumping right away, because we don't want to take anything home that we don't want at our homes. So that's a good reminder for you guys. Don't ever take this nasty stuff. And I just said that, and check this out. A little mouse right there. So we got to make sure we get rid of him. That's a perfect example why you come right to the dump. So he's gone now. He's over there. Scared for his life. Sorry, buddy. Put the door down for him. Let's see if he goes out. Yep. Point proven. All right, we got rid of everything, and hopefully all the mice and rats as well. All right, guys, so our dump fees today, the one truck was $10.62. and the other truck was $18.06. So a total of like $30. So $30 for both trucks wasn't too bad in disposal, and at least we got rid of all that stuff before taking it to the house. All right guys, I just got back to the house, hopefully rat and mice free. It's just one of those things you have to deal with. So people probably want to know, do I charge extra when the job's really nasty like that? And in this case, no. I don't think I would have charged any extra. These people really had a rough situation, but what we did charge was $500. So that's to fill this truck and trailer and that other truck. So people are like, oh, $500, that seems like a lot of money. So I kind of wanted to break it down on what your expenses are. So the first thing is we like to rebag stuff like that because I just think it's easier when you're at the dump, and if one of those bags break open, then you're in a whole nother situation. And So I probably spent like $25 to $30 on bags. And then of course I had 3 people with me. So we actually only worked like an hour and a half, but I'm just gonna pay them for 2 hours, and they're all my family members. I pay them all like 20 bucks an hour. So 40 bucks for each one of those is like 120 bucks, plus the $30, let's say, for bags is 150 bucks. Then just say for gas, that's pretty much the only other expense. Oh, we had the dump fee too. Let's just say $200 in expenses. So 500 minus 200, basically that job was $300. Some people might say that's not worth it. I would agree on certain days. Just wanted to give you guys a little update on what the prices and stuff are like that. But yeah, so basically we walked away with $300. At the end of the day, you know, we only worked 2 hours, and we got tornadoes and everything coming today. So that's why we started early at 8, and it's about 10:15 right now. If you like videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification button, and we're gonna have a part 2 on this video. So look out for that too. Thanks for watching.